My name's Josh Draper. I'm the Stoney Ridge Farmer, and this is my farm here in Stoneville, North Carolina in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. So when I was 18 years old, I joined the Air Force, and I was an electrician in the Air Force. When I got out of the Air Force, I went back to school. I started my first business, a handyman business, which in turn kind of translates into what I do here on the farm all day, every day. Did the handyman business for quite some time, worked in the hospital as a registered nurse for about 13 years, and then followed my dream to a calling back to the land and built my own farm. People want to know where their food comes from nowadays, so I think this is really important to show folks that you can do this in a natural way that's harmonious with nature and that benefits the land for the next generation. The chores that I have to do on a day-to-day basis here on the farm involve a lot of mowing. Checking on the cows, mowing, moving cows. So we move the cows almost every single day here on the farm to a different paddock, a different piece of grass. So there's constant maintenance, there's constant oil changes, there's constant work, there's constant wrenching, and there's constant breaking of stuff on the farm. So when a machine goes down, the farm goes down. So we've got to keep everything up and running in tip-top shape. One of the most important things to have here on the farm when you don't have farm help, so it's just me in most cases, is the right machinery to get the job done. So we've got utility vehicles, we've got ATVs, we've got multiple tractors here on the farm. Everything has an engine here on the farm. I think I did a count the other day and I have over 25 engines on the farm. The good thing about Techron is they have a product for every engine on the farm. From the giant tractor that you see back here behind me, all the way to the smallest chainsaw engine. I use Techron Diesel for all the diesel equipment here on the farm. From the big tractors to the little mowers, it just keeps everything running smooth. The first time that I used it, I could tell a difference in how smooth and how clean my diesel engines were running. I use Techron Powersports for all my ATVs, my zero-turn mowers, and even some of my chainsaws and other small engines. My machinery is my livelihood. I've trusted Chevron products, Chevron fuels, and the science that goes into the Chevron product and the Techron product for over 25 years. Keeping Techron in all my equipment helps give me the peace of mind that I need to earn a living here on this farm.